the picture.
This is the Budgie place.
Look at Mommy's torches.
Jamie just got a Budgie Buddy.
No, Ben's got one. Oh, Claytor's got one. Claytor, look at me. Look at me again. Oh, you had one. You gotta feed him. That's awesome. It's gonna land on the stick. He wants to land.
I'm gonna see if I can get one to land on my finger.
I got one. Amy, look at me. Oh, I got three.
One to land on my finger.
Okay, hold on. There's another one. They're wobbling, man. They don't like this. Roslyn. Yeah, look at all them.
Well, that's a pretty one, Ben.
Look at me,
White?
Here, take a picture of it. Hurry. It's almost all gone.
Making a movie.
There you are.
Yeah. Little Lindsay got one too. Is that fun, Lindsay? You want to try, Kenna? Look what Lindsay's doing.
Look, Mommy's got one.
Look what Lindsay's doing. It's switched out.
Oh, still have one. Okay, try to get a bird. I need a new stick. Yeah, I see. You want to hold it? And I'll get a picture of you? You'll get one to land on you again. You got one pretty much empty. I'll just pick up like this. No, near the tree. They won't fly to you. What does a stick do like that? It's actually blue. Look at me while you have it. Oh, come on. I still have three. No, just like hold this stick up and I want to pick him up.
It's just a hot glue if you use any trash. It's non-toxic, but it's something like that.
Would not be good for him. You're so cute. Pretty. You're so pretty, Rod. Oh, yeah? You just about done with that one. Mommy. Hold it out. Okay, quit, Rod. Not your hair.
Nothing's happening. I'm holding up my stick.
Got it? Bring it
Nope.
over there. There you go. Bring it over there. Just a little bit more. You might be able to take some of that.
There we go.
Come on, Ross. I need to get 7 numbers. Good. Just give me one more.
That's the Budgies. All done. Hey, Kenna, do you want to do it? No.